स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। नवमकक्षायाः शेमुषि पाठ्यपुस्तकं पाठस्य नाम भ्रान्तो बालः इति अस्ति। भ्रान्तः बालः इति पाठस्य आरम्भः अस्माभिः कृतः अस्ति। एकः बालः आसीत्। सः बालः विद्यालयगमनवेलायां क्रीडितुं गच्छति, परन्तु कोऽपि मित्रं तेन सह आगन्तुं सिद्धः नासीत्, यतः सर्वे पठनाय उत्सुकाः आसन्। तस्मिन् समये सः सर्वान् मित्रान् त्यक्त्वा स्वयम् उद्यानं गच्छति। उद्यानं गत्वा स्वस्य मित्राणि निन्दति, तथैव अध्यापकम् अपि निन्दति। एवं चिन्तयति यत् सः स्वयम् आनन्दम् अनुभवितुं जानाति इति। यदा मित्राणि न सन्ति तदानीं सः तत्र स्थितान् खगान् एव मित्ररूपेण स्वीकरिष्यामि इति चिन्तयति। This is what we have learnt in the previous class. My dear boys, in the previous class we have learnt that there was a boy who was not interested in studies. While everybody was going to the school, he went for playing. As everybody was interested in studies, none of his friends came with him to play, so he was very sad. He left all his friends and entered the garden. In the garden, he is blaming all his friends as a bookish, and he is blaming his teacher as he is angry and he doesn't want to see his face, and he feels that he knows how to make himself happy. This is what we have seen in the previous class. And today, after this, we will see the grammar points of the previous class. Bhrantah kaschana balah. Kaschana. Kaha adhikam chana. Kaschana. Atra visarga sandhihi. पाठशाला गमनवेलायां क्रीडितुं निर्जगामा. कोऽपि तदा कोऽपि कः अधिकम् अपि कोऽपि. वयस्येषु, very important is वयस्यः. वयस्य is a not a षष्ठी विभक्ति, it is प्रथमा विभक्ति. वयस्यः means मित्रं, friend. उपलभ्यमानः, उप अधिकं लब अधिकं शानच् प्रत्ययः. यतस्ते, यतः अधिकं ते, यतस्ते विसर्ग संधिः. सर्वेपि, सर्वे अधिकम् अपि, सर्वेपि पूर्वरूप संधिः. त्वरमाणाः, त्वरमाणः means very moving quickly. तंद्रालुर्बालो, तंद्रालुः अधिकं बालः, तंद्रालुर्बालो विसर्ग संधिः. परिहरन् एकाकी, परिहरन् अधिकं एकाकी, परिहरन् एकाकी. किमप्युद्यानं, किमपि अधिकं उद्यानं, किमप्युद्यानं. विरमन्त्वेते, विरमन्तु अधिकं एते, विरमन्त्वेते यन् संधिः. पुनरात्मानं, पुनः अधिकं आत्मानं, पुनरात्मानं. Please note down with 5 stars, my dear boys. Very very important. Same example will come in the 9th class board exam. पुनरात्मानं, पुनः अधिकं आत्मानं, पुनरात्मानं. भूयो द्रक्ष्यामि, भूयः द्रक्ष्यामि, भूयो द्रक्ष्यामि. सन्त्वेते, सन्तु अधिकं एते, सन्त्वेते. प्राणिनो मम, प्राणिनः मम. वयस्याः इति वयस्या इति वयस्यः वेरी इम्पार्टेंट once again वयस्यः means friend. Is it clear? इदानीम् अनन्तरपाठं पठामः. अतः स पुष्पोद्यानं व्रजन्तं मधुकरं दृष्ट्वा तं क्रीडाहेतोराह्वयत्. स द्विस्त्रिः अस्य आह्वानमेव न मानयामास. ततो भूयो भूयः हठमाचरति बाले सोगायत् वयं हि मधुसंग्रहव्यग्राः इति. तदा स बालः कृतमनेन मिथ्यागर्वितेन कीटेन इत्यन्यतो दत्तदृष्टिश्चटकमेकं चञ्च्वा तृणशलाकादिकम् आददानम् अपश्यत्. उवाच च अयि चटकपोत मानुषस्य मम मित्रं भविष्यसि. एहि क्रीडावः. त्यज शुष्कमेतत् तृणं स्वादूनि भक्षकवलानि ते दास्यामि इति. स तु नीडः कार्यो वठाद्रुशाखायां तद्यामि कार्येण इत्युक्त्वा स्वकर्मव्यग्रो बभूव. तदा खिन्नो बालकः एते पक्षिणो मानुषेषु नोपगच्छन्ति तदन्वेषयाम्यपरं मानुषोचितं विनोदयितारम् इति परिक्रम्य पलायमानं कमपि श्वानम् आलोकयत्. अथ स पुष्पोद्यानं व्रजन्तं मधुकरं दृष्ट्वा तं क्रीडाहेतोः आह्वयत्. After entering the garden, he saw one honeybee, madhukaraha, madhukaroti iti madhukaraha. He saw honeybee, tam क्रीडाहेतोः ahvayat. He called that honeybee, please come and play with me. He was very busily going to the flower garden. Saha dvihi त्रिहि अस्य आह्वानम् एव न मानयामास. When he was requesting 2-3 times, that honeybee was not listening to this boy. Tato bhuyo bhuyah hathamacharati bale so agayat. When this boy was again and again, bhuyo bhuyaha, again and again he was pleading the honeybee, then he sang to him, vayam hi madhusangraha vyagraha iti. We are all busy in collecting the honey. Vyagraha means busy, madhu means honey, sangraha means collecting, madhu sangraha vyagraha iti. Tada saha balaha कृतमनेन मिथ्यागर्वितेन क्रीटेन it अन्यतो दत्तदृष्टिः चटकमेकं चञ्च्वा तृणशलाकादिकम् आददानम् अपश्यत्. Then he thought this honeybee is very proudish, so that's why it is not listening to me. So he left that honeybee. Then he has seen ekam chatakam, sparrow. He has seen a sparrow, chanchua, with its beak. Trunashalakam, it was collecting the dry wooden pieces. Trunashalakaha, that means grass sticks. It was collecting dry grass sticks. So he saw such a sparrow. Uvachacha, aichatakapota, manushasya mama mitram bhavishyasi. My dear sparrow, will you become my friend? Ehi kridavaha, please come, let us play. Tyaja shushkametat trunam, please leave these dry grass. Please leave it. Swadhuni bhaksha kavalani te dasyami. Swadhuni, very important. This sentence is very important. Swadhuni, ruchikarani, very tasty. Bhaksha kavalani te dasyami. I will give you very tasty eatable things. Iti. Satu nidaha karyo vatadrushakayam tadyami karyena ityuktva swakarma vyagro bhavuva. But that sparrow told, on that people tree I have to make my own nest. So I am very busy. I am going for my work. So I cannot come with you. So it replied and went away from there. Tada kinno balakaha ete pakshino manusheshu nopagachanti. Then this boy was so much depressed, sad. He has become very sad and decided these birds don't suit for the humans. Tat अन्वेषयाम्यपरं मानुषोचितं विनोदयितारम् इति परिक्रम्य पलायमानं कमपि श्वानम् आलोकयत्. So then he thought that I should search for somebody who suits for the humans. So when he was thinking like that, he saw a dog running there. Then what he does with the dog? Does the dog becomes his friend? Let us see in the next class. In this class we have learnt that so after leaving all his friends, he started to make friendship with the birds in the garden. First of all, he requests honeybee, please come and be my friend. But honeybee tells that we are all very busy in collecting the honey, so we cannot be your friends. Then he thinks that these honeybees are very proudish, let me not be with them. Then he sees a sparrow who was collecting grass to make its nest. Then he requests the sparrow to come and play with him so he can give very tasty eatables to the sparrow. But sparrow tells that he is very busy, he has to make its nest on the peepal tree. So he has to do his work. So he could not come with him. Then he thinks that all the birds doesn't suit for the humans. So he will search for a person who suits for the humans. Then he finds a dog running there. Then he approaches the dog. Does the dog becomes his friend? What the dog tells? Remaining things we will see in the next class. Thank you. Bhavatu Shubhadinam, Bhavatu Anudinam. Sarve स्वस्थाः जीवन्तु सुखेन जीवन्तु. अग्रिमकक्षायाम् एतस्यैव पाठस्य व्याकरणांशान् पश्यामः, तथैव अग्रिमम् अपि पाठं पठामः. सर्वेभ्यः शुभमस्तु. सर्वे स्वस्थाः भवन्तु, गृहे एव तिष्ठन्तु, सुखेन वसन्तु. धन्यवादाः.